So I got like a pre-med degree. I was going to be a chiropractor. Schools really just weren't delivering what they had promised. You couldn't just go into a university and get a job when you came out, just like I couldn't. Mm-hmm. I was working on my 50 Plymouth chop top in the home garage. And, my dad had passed away. My mom was like, look, we didn't put you through pre-med, for you to work on your car and wait tables.
Yeah. Okay. Fair enough.
So she
Mom.
was like, you got to get a job. So I got a chemical sales job and spent every day after about 2 weeks, just like, what am I doing with my life? I was wearing like a suit, I had to have the haircut and, like the other people have like normal cars in the parking lot and I'm driving a chop top with a seat that's not even bolted down. So when you hit the throttle, the thing's like goes back, I'm like, something is just not meshing up.
Right.
So, I was kind of just trying to figure it out. And I'd heard about wyotech back then had a street rod program. And so I called him up and I, looked at it and I was like, you know what? I called my mom up and I'm like, I'm going to a tech school. I'm moving to Wyoming. I'm one of the few people who have had a college education and also a tech school program. And I came out of college and nobody wanted me. I mean, I could basically go back to school, go sit in a lab or go do sales. Like that was my 3 paths. Nobody wanted me. And then I came out of 9 months at wyotech and bang, I could go anywhere in the world pretty much and work.
That's incredible.
Instantly. And, today it's the same way. Like, as long as my hands and my eyes work, I never worry that I can get a job.